This is a follow-up to my sound comparison of the Outemu silent tactile stems in various switch housings. I'm adding 2 more switch housings to the comparison, and I'm bringing back the housing that I thought sounded the best from the first round of tests, which was the Greetech housing. Here we go. So this is kind of interesting. The 2 that I've added are actually Outemu housings. Outemu Ice on the left, Outemu Sky in the middle, and once again I brought back the Greetech housing, which I thought sounded best in the first round of tests. So in my opinion, these 2 Outemu housings sound every bit as good as the Greetech housing. In fact, I think this one here, the clear housing, I think was actually a little bit quieter. I think it was about a tie between these 2, and this one, the Outemu Ice housing, I think actually was a little bit quieter than the Greetech. So maybe it should be no surprise that the same manufacturer who designed the silent stems has a housing that works very well with them. So these sound great to me. Tactility is also on par with the Greetech, maybe a little bit more refined even, a little bit less sloppy. So they're very tactile and they're nice and quiet. Now keep in mind that these have been lubed and filmed so that the comparison would be fair. Hope that video helps and have a great day.